Good morning, students. On that day, I have tell you about some compounds, ethane, methane, about these things. Introduction I have tell to you. Today I am going to tell you about the types of organic compounds. So there are 6 types of organic compounds. One is hydrocarbon, haloalkanes, alcohols, aldehydes, ketones, and carboxylic acids. First of all, we are talking about the hydrocarbons. The word hydrocarbons is coming from the hydrogen and the carbon which are joined together to form a compound, and that compound is said to be the hydrocarbon. Hydrogen plus carbon is equals to the hydrocarbon. In a hydrocarbon, two things are coming, that is, one is carbon and second is the hydrogen. Two things are possible, nothing else. Fine. Let's take some example. We have using a CH4. You can see C and H is only. In this all this you can see C and H is present. So this is said to be the methane, ethane, ethene, ethine. On that day I have tell you about how this ethane, ethene and ethine came. One more time I would like to tell you about the ethane, ethine coming as, like for example methane, we can say only one carbon is possible here, one carbon and 4 hydrogen. Fine. In this one, this is said to be the methane because one carbon is possible. Now for ethane we can say methane, ethane means 2 carbons will come here. Methane, ethane, propane, butane, these things. Okay. Now in this one, how many carbons are taking place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 6 carbon, it means we can give the name as C2H6. We can give the name like this, C2H6. So in a ethane it is written as C2H6. Now for this C2H6, now I am using here, this is said to be as ethene. Now for this one I am going to make as ethene, E-N-E. First I have made as A-N-E. Now second I am going to make as ENE. When I am making as ENE, in this one it form a single bond, in this one it form a double bond. But how the second bond is coming? The second bond is coming when the 2 hydrogen are joined together to form a one bond, and that bond will come on this one side. Okay. Now in this one, how many hydrogen will takes place? In this one we can say as C2H4. C2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can see here in ethene how many? C2H4. Now next one, ethane is over, ethene is over. Next is ethyne. By any ethine. In ethyne, triple bond takes place. Now in this one, triple bond how takes place? Same as in this one, 2 bonds are joined together to form here a bond. In this one also, 2 are joined together to form a third bond. Now how many things are left here? It left here C2H2. So you can see here in ethyne what it is written as C2H2. So in this way we can find out aniline. Okay, in aniline, single bond, double bond and the triple bond. Okay. Now let's see the next one. This types of hydrocarbons, 2 types. One is saturated, second is unsaturated. In a saturated form, what single bond takes place? An alkane is a hydrocarbon in which our carbon atoms are connected by a single covalent bond. There is no double or triple bond in alkane. Fine. So this is about the saturated. In a saturated single bond, ANE takes place. Okay. Now after this, in this one various examples are there that you can write down in your copies. Now let's take about a journal formula. The journal formula is CnH2n plus 2. Okay, CnH2n plus 2. Fine. Where n is the number of carbon atoms will come here. Fine. Let's for an example, I am going to tell you. This also I will tell to you. Journal formula is CnH2n plus 2. Fine. If there is a 2 carbon, if 2 carbon are there, So this N side na we are putting here a 2. C2H 2 into 2 plus 2. Understood? So what the thing is coming here? If a 2 carbons are here, okay, it form here C2H2 to the 4 plus 2, it forms C2H6. Okay, it forms C2H6. Okay, understood? If we are using a one carbon if we will use, and the formula is CnH2n plus 2, same formula. So this N side 1 H2 into 1 plus 2, C1H2 plus 2, it is written as CH4. So it is said to be as methane. Same conditions we can apply for others also. If 3 carbons are there, then we will put a 3, 4 carbons are there, we will put a 4. Let's take a 3 also. C2H2n plus 2. So C3H, sorry beta, this is N. C3H2 into 3 plus 2. C3H2 3 is a 6 plus 2. C3H8. Let's take now make a structure of this one. C3 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Understood? Means 8 hydrogen atoms are there. 8 hydrogen atoms are joined here. Understood this one? How we have to find out the general formula? In others also general formula is like this. You have to use it. Okay? So these things I have told to you about the general formula. So this table you have to make it. Now next is about the unsaturated. In a unsaturated, two things are taking place. One is alkenes and second is alkynes. In a alkenes there is a double bond. In a alkynes there is a triple bond, which I have said to you before. Okay, means if two hydrogen bonds are joined together, it form a one bond. So here in this one bond, from the alkane they have taken one bond, it means double bond takes place. From a alkene they have again a one bond, means this hydrogen, any hydrogen they have taken, so they form a one hydrogen will come here and triple bond takes place. Okay, so this is a unsaturated hydrocarbons. Okay, double bond and the triple bond is taking place. In a double bond, that is said to be the ethene, and triple bond it is said to be the ethyne. Fine, so this is a unsaturated hydrocarbon. Next, you can write for the alkanes. This is the values you can write down, and this is a general formula of CnH2n of alkene. So same formula which I have said to you right now, that in the same way on this N side you have to put the 2 is there, 2 you can put, 3 is there, 3 you can put, according to the carbon you can put. That is CnH2n is a general formula. In a alkane the general formula is coming here CnH2n minus 2. Okay, so these things you have write down in a points. Understood beta? After these things you can write down for the ene you have to make this table, and for the ion you have to make this table. Okay, and little some structures, don't write these things, but some structures you can show here. Okay, these structures means how it form a double bond. One review I am going to tell you. Like carbon is here, 2 carbons are there, it means 6 hydrogen bonds are here. Fine, for a 6 hydrogen bonds, it means these 2 making a one bond, this 2 making a one bond, this 2 making a one bond. Like this, these two are there, it form a one bond. Fine, for this one you can see here, this will form a one bond like this will form a one bond like this will also one bond, and it will form a two bond. It means by the two bonds what it is shown, it is showing this thing that it is ene, and by the single bond it is shown that it is ane. Fine, so structure you can make. Now for the triple bond, you can make, see here we can say it form a single structure here, it form a single structure and form a triple bond. Okay, like this, it form a triple bond. Understood? So these things you can write down in your copy. After this, you can make a alkyl group. What is the meaning of the alkyl group? The group formed by the removal of one hydrogen atom from an alkane. Means from an alkane, remove a one hydrogen atom. Only one hydrogen atom is removed. It means then it form a alkane. Like this is a methane. In this one, I have removed one hydrogen. Okay, this hydrogen is removed. 3 hydrogen is left. It form a CH3 and bond you have to put like this. Same as in ethyl, 6 carbons are taking place, 1 I have removed, then it form a ethyl group. Okay, so this is said to be the alkyl. Okay, if any other also, for an example, if I would like to say, if here I am using 1 2 3 4 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, total 10 hydrogens are here, total 10. But this I am not putting, I am removing this. It means now this thing is form a alkyl group. Okay, so what it form? It form as C4. How many hydrogen? 3 2 5 6 7 8 9, C4H9. Okay, C4H9, it form a alkyl group now. Okay, but C4, 4 carbons, methane, ethane, propane, butane, this form a butyl. Okay, butyl it form. Understood? Of alkyl one, this form an alkyl group. So till here you can write down in your copy. And for the alkyl group, the general formula of alkyl group is CnH2n plus 1, where n is the number of the carbon atom. Understood? Till here you can write down in your copy, and this is your homework also. Now cyclic hydrocarbons. In a cyclic hydrocarbons means full structure formation is closed, like a benzene ring. Okay, this shows as a benzene ring. Fine. So it is said to be cyclohexane. Why hexane? Because 6 carbons takes place. 1 2 3 4 5 6 carbons on a single carbon, 2 hydrogen takes place. That's why it is said to be a cyclohexane. Understood? So they are showing the bonds here. When they are showing the bonds like this, C having a single bond, these two form a one bond, these two form a one bond, these two one bond, these two one bond. Fine, these two forming a one bond, these two forming a one bond, and this is a single bond will takes place here. This single bond will takes place here. This form a one bond, and this all like this we can do. Okay, this is the cyclic hydrocarbon. Means electron dot structure of cyclohexane has been obtained by putting the 2 electron dot in place of every single bond. Okay, here single bond is there. On every single bond we are putting a 2 dot structures. So this is a single bond, and the formula of it is said to be as C6H12. Okay, C6 are there. On a 1 carbon 2 hydrogen are there. It means on a 6 carbon 12 hydrogen are taking place. Okay, so this is cyclic hydrocarbon. So this one also you can write down. Cyclobutane, cyclic, have 5 carbons, said to be cyclopentane, cyclopropane, and okay, the general formula of cycloalkane CnH2n. So these things you can write down in your copy till here. Okay, according to the points you can write down. Fine. After that, naming of the hydrocarbon, this is the main thing. In this one you can write down in the points the naming. Okay, what is said to be a one naming you can write down. Naming of saturated hydrocarbon. Okay, these all things I have given a lecture on this one, so only you have to write down in your copies. Don't write full things, write in a point, use your mind. This is very important, write down this one. Example, don't write full, only write the this one examples, and these examples I will tell you. Okay, till here you can complete it in your copies. Thank you beta, and have a nice day.